So yeah, I chose BCA, but honestly, choosing BCA was the easy part. The harder decision was choosing the right college. Because I already knew one thing. I didn't want another system that only revolves around attendance, pressure, and assignments. I wanted time. Time to build skills, explore tech, and actually figure myself out. So, before choosing a college, I chose the city first. And for me, that city was Bangalore. Because Bangalore gave me something I was looking for: exposure, startups, tech events, internships, people actually building things around you. A place where learning happens outside classrooms too. Then came another confusion: general B, C, A, or specialization. AI, data science, cyber security. Big names, big promises. But honestly, I didn't even fully understand those fields yet. And I didn't want to lock myself into one direction too early. I wanted fundamentals first. Time to explore before choosing one path forever. So I chose General BCA. And while selecting colleges, I started intersecting everything I wanted from a college: less travel, less unnecessary pressure, less attendance drama, more exposure, more freedom, more time to build skills outside college. And the college that matched most of that became my choice. Because after JEE, my mindset changed completely. And for the first time, I felt like I was choosing my future consciously, not blindly.